So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app not working in Android and iPhone. Crash, freeze and loading fix. So fix 1 is force close and restart the app. In Android, open setting on your device, navigate to apps, locate and select McDonald's app. Tap on force stop to halt the app's operation. In iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, swipe up on the McDonald's preview and card to close it. Second fix is clear app cache and data. In Android, open setting, tap apps, select McDonald's, tap storage and cache, tap clear cache, then tap clear data. In iPhone, go to setting, then journal, then iPhone storage. Tap McDonald's, choose offload app and then tap reinstall. Third fix is check for app update. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for McDonald's in the store. Check for an update button. If visible, tap it to the update and the app. If the button says open, you are already using the latest version of the app. Fourth fix is delete and reinstall the app. Press and hold the McDonald's app icon on your home screen. Tap install or uninstall or remove app, then delete app. Restart your phone completely. Go back to your app store. Download the McDonald's app again. Log back in into your account. Fifth fix is turn off your VPN. Open your phone setting, search for VPN, toggle the switch to disconnected. Sixth fix is enable location services. In Android, open setting on your device, then navigate to location settings, go to app permissions, find and select McDonald's app. Choose the option to allow only while using the app. In iOS, open setting on your device, navigate to privacy and security, select location services, find and select McDonald's app from the list, choose the option while using the app. Thanks for watching.